Actually, in the previous class, we have studied about line segment, ray, okay, line and half line, okay. These all we have studied in the previous class. You have any doubt? Have you any doubt? If you have not doubt, today I will continue with the next result, that is collinear point. Okay. Can Manish tell me what is collinear point? Can you tell me what is collinear point?
Yes, we have to prove.
No. For example, suppose point, this is the point, and here is a point,
Yes.
and here is a point.
Yes, sir.
These are 3 points. Okay. If we draw a line, okay, if we draw a straight line, okay,
Yes, sir.
if we draw a straight, if we
Yes,
draw a
sir.
line is always a straight, okay. If you draw a line such that this line will passes through
Big points.
all the above 3 points, then this 3 point is called collinear point. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So there is no
No,
need,
sir.
there is no any restriction that 3 point is required to draw a collinear point. No. Manish,
Yes, sir.
Aman, tell me what is line? What is line?
Sir.
Aman,
Line is a yes, sir. A line is a form of many points which has no end points.
a line segment is also have many points. We can draw infinite number of points on this line segment. We can draw a infinite number of lines on a ray. Okay. We can draw a infinite number of points on a line. Then what is difference between line segment, ray, and line? Roshan.
So line
The
has
line segment
has two fixed points.
Yes, line
So line has no fixed point.
Two terminating point. That means
Yes, sir. We can't extend. Yes, sir.
its length is fixed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
On the other hand, ray, its length is not fixed.
Ray has only one terminating
Ray
point.
have only
Yes,
one terminating end.
Ray has only one point.
Okay.
And one is
On the
infinite.
other hand, when we talk about line have infinite number of points and infinite length.
Yes, sir. No fixed length.
Infinite length, that means it can be extended in and it can be extended in both the direction. We can extend
Yes,
this
sir.
in this direction as well as in
Yes,
this
sir.
direction. Always remember that when we said collinear point, the collinear point means all those points when we draw a single straight line, all these points which locate on that single straight line This all point is said to be a collinear point. Am I right?
Oh, yes, sir.
For example,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
this is a line. On this line, we can draw infinite number of points.
The dead point is called collinear point.
Point.
No, that point is called collinear point. B,
Oh,
C, D, E, F, C. We can draw infinite point. A, B, C, D, E, F, C.
Yes.
These all are point, and these all points
Yes, sir.
locate on a single line, that is L. Am I right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then this point A, B, C, D, E, F, and C. These all are said to be a collinear point.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, point A, B, C. Is this a collinear point? Is this a collinear point?
Yes, sir. Yes.
How? A, B, C
Sir, we can
are
draw.
collinear point?
सर AC को ज्वाइन कर देंगे और CD और
इसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे, इसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे.
yes sir.
That's why these all are collinear points, according to Manish. Okay, Manish? Huh? Manish? Beta, A,
No,
B,
sir.
and C
This
is
is not a
not a
collinear
collinear point.
Yes, sir.
Not a collinear
Yes,
point.
sir. Because they are.
Here, please observe it. This is one
What is
line,
the
this is one line, and this is another line. Okay, means there are two lines used to connect this point A, B, and C. These all point does not lie on a single line. For example,
yes,
in the case of B, in the case of this for this situation, point A, B, C, D, E, F, and C. These all points lies on a single line.
And L.
I am talking about
L.
single line. Okay, that's why the point A, B, C, D, E, F, C are collinear in nature. But here,
Yes.
point A and B can be drawn by a single line. That means A and B can be collinear point. Similarly, B and C can be collinear point because C and B lie on a single line. But A, B, C, all these 3 points together can never be
Does not
collinear
lie.
point. It is never be a collinear
Yes,
point.
sir.
You have any doubt?
Yes.
Doubt?
No sir.
Okay.
No sir.
Okay. After this, shall I erase the screen? Have you write it?
no, sir. So 1 second.
Please write it. Please write it. Have you write it?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Shall I erase the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
After knowing about collinear point, okay, we will study about the intersecting line. Intersecting line. Okay. What is intersecting line? A simple definition. Okay, if two lines have a
Yes, sir.
common point, what I said, if
Two
Two
lines.
line.
two lines
Common.
have a common point, then these two lines are called intersecting line. Is it clear? Suppose this is line L, okay, and this is
Yes, sir.
line M, okay,
And
and let
Yes, sir.
there is a point P on a line, okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
there is a point P on line M. Tell me, can this line are called to be intersecting line?
No, sir.
No. Means have common point. Means if we draw a line L in such a way like that, this is the line L and this is the line
And
M. Now tell me, this is the point
yes, sir.
P, which is common to line M as well as line
And
L.
L.
That's why line M and L is said to be an intersecting line.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Can two lines have more than one common point? Can two intersecting
No,
lines
sir.
have more than one common
No,
point?
sir.
No.
No,
No,
sir.
No, sir.
Two intersecting lines have never more than one common point.
One common.
Is it clear? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
can
Yes, sir.
two parallel lines have a common point?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Can two parallel
No,
lines
sir.
have a common point? No. Two
Sir.
parallel
No,
lines
sir.
have
No,
not
sir.
a common point. If they have common point, that means they are intersecting line. They are not called to be a
Parallel line.
Parallel line.
parallel line. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Point where these two
Yes,
lines
sir.
intersect, and the point where these two lines intersect, this point is called point of intersection. What it is called? Point of
Point of intersection.
intersection. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is intersecting line? Two lines have common point. That two lines are called intersecting line. Okay, is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
And what is point
Yes,
of
sir.
intersection?
Yes, sir.
Point of intersection?
The common point to
The common point of two lines is called
common point.
point of intersection. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Shall I repeat?
No, sir.
Yes,
Have
sir.
you write it?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Shall I erase the screen?
Yes, sir.
Now, after knowing about the intersecting line and point of intersection, we will study about the concurrent line. What we will study?
Concurrent line.
My writing is clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Concurrent line. Okay. What is concurrent line?
Yes, sir.
If more than two line, okay, if more than two or three line, that passes through a point of intersection. What I said, if more than 2 or 3 line that passes through a point of intersection, then that line is called concurrent line. For example, suppose this is a line and this is a line.
Yes, sir.
This is L and this is M. Let this be the point of intersection. Okay. If we draw
Yes.
more than 2 lines through this point of intersection, point of intersection, if we draw more than 2 lines from this point of intersection, let this be A, this will C, and what we have drawn, these all are aligned. ये जो टेढ़ा मेढ़ा देख रहे हो ना बेटा, ये लाइन ही है, ये ड्रॉ हो रहा है टेढ़ा मेढ़ा, ठीक है, इसको टेढ़ा मेढ़ा मत मानना. अब देखो, this line L, M, C, A, this all line passes through a single point, and here is the point. Am I right? No, am I right or not? And this is the point of intersection for all these 4 lines. Am I right or not? Yes. Roshan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the point of intersection for line M, L, C, and A. Am I right or not? Means
Yes.
Yes, sir.
there is more than 2 lines that passes through this point. Suppose the name of this point be X. Through this X point, there are 4 line passes, and this line is more than 2. Am I right or not? When
Yes, sir.
a more than 2 or 3 line passes through a single point, okay, then this line M, L, C, and A are called collinear line. Sorry, concurrent line. What is it? It is called concurrent line. Concurrent line. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
What can we say? 3 or more line intersecting at a same point, okay, then it is said to be concurrent line. Okay, ये सारे लाइन क्या कहलाएंगे? Concurrent line कहलाएंगे. And the point is called concurrent point. What the point is called?
Concurrent point.
Concurrent
Concurrent
point.
point.
Is it clear? So we can say that from concurrent point, n line can pass. When I said n means infinite line can passes from the concurrent line, but it must be greater than 2 line. Okay, 2 से ज्यादा होगा और इनफाइनाइट तक क्या होगा, हम लोग लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं from the concurrent points. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
अगर मानो 2 से कोई एक हो, जैसे मान लो ये एक लाइन है, suppose this is a line and this is the point P. Now there is a single point that lies on L. This is not called to be a concurrent point. This is called, the name is only point. Am I clear? If 2 lines are intersecting in nature, then this point is not called to be a concurrent point. It is simply called point of intersection. What it is called? Point of intersection. But if
Point of intersection.
more than 2 lines, if more than 2 lines passes through a single point, then that point is called concurrent point.
Concurrent line.
And all the line that passes
Yes.
through the concurrent point is called concurrent line. Is called concurrent line. Anyone have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
No, sir.
Now,
सर
yeah,
सर अगर कोई पॉइंट है सर उस
जी।
पर से रे सर हाफ लाइन पास कर रही तो होगा सर वो
अगर
तो
हाफ
रे
लाइन
line-
पास करता है बेटा, हाफ लाइन क्या होता है? सपोज करो ये एक लाइन है, ये एक लाइन है और
Yes,
इसको
sir.
एक लाइन सेगमेंट, वी कैन ट्रीट इट एज ए लाइन सेगमेंट ए एंड बी. Okay, and for
Yes,
half
sir.
line what we have
Yes,
to
sir.
do, we have to take the midpoint of a line segment AB. Okay, और midpoint क्या होगा? मान लेते हैं ये है C.
Yes, sir.
मनीष,
B.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
let C is the midpoint of AB. Okay, now
Yes.
ये जो देख लो ना C से लेके इधर वाला, इसको बोलेंगे हाफ लाइन. और
Yes,
इसी
sir.
तरह इधर जो होगा C से इधर, इसको बोलेंगे हाफ लाइन. ये सब कहाँ होगा? मतलब क्या? जो C पॉइंट है, हाफ लाइन का मतलब क्या है? A half line is just like a ray.
Yes, sir.
A half line is just like a ray
Yes, sir.
because
Yes, sir.
it have a
Yes.
terminating point, a single terminating point, and it can be extended to infinite from one side. Am I right or not? That is
Yes,
called
sir.
half line.
Yes.
And because these all A, B, and C are the points that is drawn on a single line, so it is not called to be a concurrent line. It may be called to be a collinear point. A, B, C may be called as a collinear point
Yes,
because
sir. Because
these
in a
are-
line there is many points.
these all points through point A,
Passes
B,
through a
and C,
single line.
there is a single line that pass through these points. That's why these points are collinear in nature. They are not said to be concurrent line. Sorry, concurrent
Yes,
point.
sir.
For concurrent point, it is necessary condition that from the concurrent point, more than two line passes. For example, here is a point P, and
Yes,
through
sir.
this point P, four line passes. That's why this point P is called concurrent point. And four line is always greater than two line. Am I right or
Yes,
not?
sir.
So be
Yes, sir.
about
Yes, sir.
point. What is point? What is in point of intersection? What is point of intersection? When two line have a common point. When two line
Intersect
have
the
a
point
common
is
point,
point.
then that point is called Manish. तू बेटा इधर उधर देख, ठीक है? तू इधर उधर देख, पढ़ना नहीं है तुमको, इधर उधर देख, ठीक है? तो देखो, तो क्या होता है, उसको हम लोग पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन बोलते हैं. लेकिन फॉर कॉन्करेंट पॉइंट there is more than two line passes through a single point, and that point is called the concurrent point, and the line which passes through the concurrent point is called concurrent line.
Point
Is
of
it clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
You have to write the definition, or I will have to write it.
No, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, what is parallel line?
Sir,
What is parallel line?
when
Yeah.
two lines,
So the line
when
which
two
is parallel
lines
to each other is called a
One
parallel
Two
line.
lines whose
हाँ नहीं,
Having
रोशन जो बोला वो
same
सही
length.
definition. रोशन तूने क्या बोला? रोशन
Sir, two lines parallel to each other and having same length is called a parallel line.
Having same difference between them.
Tell me,
sir.
Roshan.
Why?
Lawson,
At any
Yes,
point.
sir.
this is a line
Yes, sir.
and this is also a line.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, is this a parallel line?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
This is parallel line when the difference between
Two lines are same at any point.
let me speak. The difference between these two lines, okay, अगर किसी दो पॉइंट ले लो किसी भी जगह पे लाइन के किसी भी जगह से
Yes,
दो
sir.
पॉइंट ले लो P और Q, अगर इस दोनों का जो डिफरेंस होगा लेंथ होगा वो ऑलवेज सेम होगा. सपोज करो एक पॉइंट लिए P ऑन लाइन L एंड दूसरा पॉइंट लिए Q ऑन लाइन L. तीसरा पॉइंट कहीं रेंडमली ले लेते हैं, ठीक है. मान लो ये C है पॉइंट और ये D है.
ये D है.
अगर PQ बराबर हो जाए CD के तब लाइन L इज पैरेलल टू M होगा. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
कहीं पर भी दो पॉइंट ले लो, दो लाइन के बीच का जो डिफरेंस है वो हर जगह क्या होगा, कांस्टेंट होगा. देन दैट लाइन इज कॉल्ड टू बी पैरेलल लाइन. देखो
Yes.
इसके लेंथ से कोई डिफरेंस डिपेंडेंट नहीं होना है, क्योंकि लाइन क्या होता है, लाइन कैन नॉट बी ड्रॉन ऑन ए प्लेन, इट कैन ओनली बी रिप्रेजेंटेड. क्या हम लोग लाइन को प्लेन पे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं?
No, sir. क्योंकि ये infinite.
क्योंकि सपोज करो जो मेरा स्क्रीन है इसका डायमेंशन क्या है, फिक्स्ड है.
Yes, sir.
बट लाइन का डायमेंशन फिक्स नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई a line cannot be drawn on my screen. That means a line cannot be drawn on a plane. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
It can
Yes, sir.
only be represented on a plane. And to
Yes.
represent anything, size does not matter. ठीक है? Means the length of this line does not matter because it is also increase. It also extend to the infinite from this side, as well as it will extend from this side to infinite.
Side. Yes.
Okay. Similarly, this line is also extended to infinite from this side, and this line is also extended to infinite from this line, from this side. Am I clear?
Yes.
The only thing
Yes,
to
sir.
two lines is said to be parallel if the distance between these two lines are always constant. Then is always constant. Then this line, then these two lines is said to be a parallel line. Is it clear?
Yes.
Tell me,
sir.
can a parallel line have a point of intersection?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Can a parallel line have concurrent point?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who told me yes?
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
No, sir. नहीं होगा.
There is no any point of intersection or concurrent point between two parallel lines.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you have to write it. If you
Yes,
want to
sir.
write, please write it. Two line is said to be parallel.
Yeah.
Two line is said to be parallel if they have
Yes, sir.
no any common point.
They have no
Any common point.
point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They have no any
Yes, sir.
common point. And the distance between these two lines are always constant.
Yes, sir.
Now, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I move forward, or you have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
No, sir.
tell me what is your doubt?
Sir, many doubt.
Nothing, sir.
Now there is an axiom related to the points, and what is that?
Incidence items.
Tell me, can anyone tell me what is axiom?
Sir, it has universally true statement.
Yes, universally true
Which has
statement and no
Yes,
relation
sir.
with geometry.
need to prove.
Yes, sir.
It is universally true statement and no relation with geometry. When I said it is
Geometry.
universally true statement, that there is no need to prove it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is the axiom that is related to the line and point? My dear students, write the statement that given two distinct point, there is a unique line that passes through it. We have already studied about these axioms. Okay, what written here? Make sure that there is no sound from your background. If someone making sound from your background, that means he is disturbing you. Okay, the entire
Sir,
class is yes. Tell
can you
me.
explain again, sir?
What?
Sir, axiom.
I have already taught about axiom, postulates,
Yes, sir.
theorem, corollary in the first class. What I told you?
Yes, sir.
That axiom is a universally true statement.
Universally true statement.
Universal true statement.
True statement.
When when I said universally true statement, that means there is no need to prove. Okay. And postulate.
Yes, sir.
Postulates is also a universally true statement. Then what is different between axioms and postulates? The main difference between axioms and postulate is that axioms is not related to geometry. Axioms is not related to geometry. On the other hand, postulate is related to geometry.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
look here. Given two distinct points means there is two distinct points, let A and B, anywhere in the space.
Yes.
Okay, there is two distinct point anywhere in the space. ठीक है, सपोज एक यहाँ पर भी सी देते हैं पॉइंट, कहीं पर भी दो पॉइंट है, ठीक है, लेकिन दोनों पॉइंट अलग अलग है. Then there is a unique line that passes through it. We all know that from a point we can draw infinite line. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
From a point we can draw a infinite line. Am I right or not?
Yes,
Huh? Similarly, on point A, we can draw infinite line. Am I right or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, from this point, I can draw an infinite line.
Yes, sir.
What the axiom says? Axiom said that from two distinct points, suppose A and C, there is a unique. Unique means there is a one and only one. One
Yes, sir.
and only one line that
Line can be
passes
there.
through these 2 points. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अगर हम A और C के बीच से देखो पॉइंट C हो चाहे पॉइंट A हो, on point A and C we can draw infinite line, but only one line that will pass through both the point A and C,
Yeah,
and that
yes.
line is unique. Why this is unique? अब देखो इसमें क्या है, सिर्फ यही लाइन क्या है जो A और C से पास कर रहा है कि नहीं, और कोई दूसरा लाइन पास करेगा? सपोज
No,
करो
sir.
ये एक पॉइंट है, एक मिनट इसको एरेज कर देता हूँ, ठीक है? सपोज करो मेरा पॉइंट एक ये है A,
Yes, sir.
एक दूसरा पॉइंट है B। अब देखो दोनों को इस तरह से देखो, यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट हो नहीं रहा, लेकिन मान लो इसको स्ट्रेट है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है, ठीक है बेटा?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
सिर्फ पॉइंट ए को देखो, ठीक है? पॉइंट ए से हम लोग इनफाइनाइट लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं कि नहीं कर सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
इसी तरह पॉइंट बी से हम लोग इनफाइनाइट लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं कि नहीं कर सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन देखो पॉइंट ए और पॉइंट बी से मिलके, इस दो पॉइंट से मिलके सिर्फ यही एक लाइन है जो दोनों से क्रॉस कर रहा है, कोई और तीसरा
Yes, sir.
लाइन है?
No, sir.
ये लाइन
No,
क्या है?
sir.
वन एंड ओनली लाइन है, वन
Yes, sir.
एंड
Unique line.
ओनली लाइन, तो इसलिए इस लाइन को हम लोग क्या दिए? यूनिक लाइन नाम दिए। हमेशा
Unique
याद
line.
रखना, दो पॉइंट से सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक लाइन पास कर सकता है। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat
Yes,
it?
sir. No, sir.
Now, shall I close the class here or I will extend?
Sir, आपका
No, it अभी बोलते हो मेरा सर आपका मर्जी, फिर जब आगे मैसेज करोगे सर क्लास में इसलिए लेट हो रहा है क्योंकि मिश्रा सर क्लास एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं।
No, sir. अभी नहीं है। दो मोबाइल है।
ठीक है, देखो इसके बाद एक थ्योरम है। अब हम कहते हैं सम रिजल्ट ऑनलाइन को पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है? सम रिजल्ट्स ऑनलाइन, और इसमें एक थ्योरम है, ठीक है? थ्योरम नंबर 1। देखो थ्योरम का जो स्टेटमेंट होता है उसको हूबहू लिखा करो, कोई चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है?
क्या सर?
थ्योरम का जो स्टेटमेंट होता है उसको हूबहू कॉपी करो, उसमें कोई चेंजिंग नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? तो क्या होता है? पहला थ्योरम है प्रूव दैट टू लाइन कैन नॉट हैव मोर देन one point in common। देखो मैंने क्या बोला था? इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट के बारे में बोला था कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट होगा दो इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन के बीच में। अभी कहीं न कहीं उसी चीज को क्या करना बेटा? प्रूव करना। क्या बोला है? प्रूव दैट टू लाइन कैन नॉट हैव मोर देन वन पॉइंट इन कॉमन, ठीक है? मान लो ये कोई दो पॉइंट है, एक ये ही पॉइंट लाइन है और ये कोई एक क्यू लाइन है, ठीक है? अब
Yes, sir.
इस दो लाइन के बीच में सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही कॉमन पॉइंट होगा, वन एंड ओनली वन कॉमन पॉइंट होगा, इसको प्रूव करना है।
पॉइंट
ठीक है, क्या करना बेटा, इसको प्रूव करना। तो हम लोग क्या मानते हैं, देखो इसको प्रूव करने का अलग अलग तरीका होता है किसी भी थ्योरम को। हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अगर इस स्टेटमेंट को ही गलत साबित कर दें और एक न्यू स्टेटमेंट को एज्यूम करके चले,
Yes, sir.
तो क्या ये थ्योरम ऑलरेडी प्रूव हो जाएगा? मानो तुम कुछ एज्यूम कर लो और वो चीज गलत साबित हो जाए, दैट मीन्स वो क्या होगा, वो चीज प्रूव हो जाएगा। तो अब देखो
Yes, sir.
मानते क्या है, इस P और Q लाइन पे दो